Hi friends, today I'm here to show how the silent mode works on LG 7270 top loading washing machine. Actually it doesn't make that much sound when it's washing in any of the regular wash. It can be just unnoticed, but still if there is a they have provided us with a separate silent wash mode. I want to show you how this works. I've already adjusted all the settings, and you can compare it with my previous video where we have done soap mode and jeans mode, where the sound is audible, and you can compare because I'm recording it in the same environment as my previous video, so it will be easy to compare. So let's go. This is the proper wash cycle that's happening right now. It's actually rotating a little slower, but nothing major difference I feel. So these are going to be the movements for the rest of my wash, which is 16 more minutes to go. And today I'll show you when to add the fabric softener. This is how rinsing is going to sound on a silent mode now. Sound is acceptable and minimal. I'm also going to show how the spin will sound. This is the sound that it makes at the end of last rinse. This is an indication to add fabric softener. Let's add it. we are supposed to add it at the end of our final rinse. Why? Because if we add it in the beginning itself, it spreads through the clothes, but uh, in subsequent washes the effect is diluted, the fragrance won't last long. So it's better we add it when that alarm comes. So that's it, friends. I've tried to put in all the information that I have known about this washing machine. So I hope all my videos were helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.